Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was, the International Day of Democracy is celebrated around the world on 12 September, 13 September, 14 September or 15 September. The correct answer is option D, 15 September. The International Day of Democracy is celebrated around the world on 15 September each year. Hence, option D is correct. It was established through a resolution passed by the UN General Assembly in 2007, encouraging governments to strengthen and consolidate democracy. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, India's Zero Pollution E-Mobility campaign, which is launched by Niti Aayog, is known as Shunya, Prakhar, Aditya or Gaurav. The correct answer is option A, Shunya. Recently, Niti Aayog held a day-long forum to commemorate the 1-year anniversary of Shunya, India's Zero Pollution E-Mobility campaign. Hence, option A is correct. Niti Aayog with RMI and RMI India's support launched Shunya, an initiative to promote zero pollution delivery vehicles by working with consumers and the industry. The campaign aims to accelerate adoption of electric vehicles or EVs in the urban delivery segment and create consumer awareness about the benefits of zero pollution delivery. As part of the campaign, a corporate branding and certification program was launched. An online tracking platform shares the campaign's impact through data such as vehicle kilometers electrified, carbon savings, criteria pollutant savings, and other benefits from clean delivery vehicles. Next question is, the International Water Association, that is IWA, World Water Congress and Exhibition 2022 took place in Prague, Stockholm, Cairo or Copenhagen. The correct answer is option D, Copenhagen. IWA World Water Congress and Exhibition 2022 took place in Copenhagen, Denmark. Hence, option D is correct. It was held on the theme Water for Smart Livable Cities. The Congress and exhibition explore smart, holistic and livable city solutions that utilize synergies between various intelligent systems, empower cities to adapt to a changing climate and improve the quality of life and well-being of their communities. The event convenes as part of the roadmap to the UN 2023 Water Conference. Next question is, the National Sports Development Fund, that is NSDF, was established in 1998, 1999, 2000 or 2001. The correct answer is option A, 1998. Recently, the NSDF signed a Memorandum of Understanding with NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation Foundation, and REC, that is Rural Electrification Corporation Foundation in New Delhi for the development of sports in India. NSDF was established in 1998 under the Charitable Endowments Act 1890 and was notified by the Government of India in November 1998. The purpose of the fund is to impart momentum and flexibility to assist the cause of sports in India. It helps sports persons excel by providing them with varied opportunities to train under coaches of international repute, provide financial assistance for the development of infrastructure and other activities for the promotion of sports. Hence, option A is correct. Next question is, the Inspire Awards Manak, that is Million Minds Augmenting National Aspirations and Knowledge, is executed by the Department of Science and Technology, that is DST, with Niti Aayog, World Bank, ISRO or National Innovation Foundation. The correct answer is option D, National Innovation Foundation. Recently, the 9th National Level Exhibition and Project Competition of Inspire Awards, Manak, was inaugurated at ITPO Delhi. The Inspire Awards Manak is being executed by DST with National Innovation Foundation India, that is NIF, an autonomous body of DST. It aims to motivate students studying in class 6 to 10. The objective of the scheme is to target 1 million original ideas and innovations rooted in science and societal applications to foster a culture of creativity and innovative thinking among school children. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla Rail Link Project, that is USBRL, was declared as the national project in 2002, 2003, 2004 or 2005. The correct answer is option A, 2002. With a view to provide an alternative and a reliable transportation system to Jammu and Kashmir, Government of India planned a 272-kilometer long railway line from Udhampur to Baramulla, joining the Kashmir Valley with the Indian Railways network under USBRL. In view of importance of USBRL project in providing seamless and hassle-free connectivity, the project was declared as national project in 2002. Hence, option A is correct. The all-weather, comfortable, convenient and cost-effective mass transportation system will be the catalyst for the overall development of the northernmost alpine region of the country. The project is undertaken by the Indian Railways for the construction of a broad gauge railway line through the Himalayas. Next question is, the innovative market linkage scheme Parvaz is related to Assam, Sikkim, Andaman and Nicobar or Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. The innovative market linkage scheme Parvaz possesses tremendous potential for uplifting the economic conditions of the farmers across the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Hence, option D is correct. The scheme was launched by the government with an aim to create market linkage support for the shipment of agriculture and horticulture perishables being harvested in Jammu and Kashmir through air cargo. Under the scheme, a 25% subsidy on freight charges is given for carrying perishable fruits harvested in Jammu and Kashmir for shipment through air cargo. The subsidy is provided to farmers through DBT mode. Next question is, every year India celebrates National Engineers Day on September 15 to recognize and honor the achievements of Sir C.V. Raman, Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya, Satish Dhawan or Varghese Kurain. The correct answer is option B, Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya. Every year India celebrates National Engineers Day on September 15 to recognize and honor the achievements of the great engineer Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya. Along with India, Vishweshwaraya's great works are also celebrated in Sri Lanka and Tanzania on September 15 as Engineers Day. Hence, option B is correct. Popularly known as Sir M.V., he undertook several complex projects and delivered remarkable infrastructural results during his engineering career. He patented and installed an irrigation system with water floodgates at the Khadagwasla reservoir near Pune to raise the food supply level and storage to the highest levels known as block system in 1903. Next question is, what is a subpoena? Cruise missile, robot, quantum computer or writ? The correct answer is option D, writ. A subpoena is a writ issued by a government agency, usually a court, to compel someone to appear before court or a parliamentary inquiry committee or provide documents that they possess. Subpoena means under penalty. There are two types of subpoenas. The first is called subpoena and testificandum, which compels a person to testify before a legal authority, while the second subpoena, dux tecum, orders a person to produce documents, letters, information stored on devices or other physical evidence for use at a hearing or trial. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, recently released report, The United in Science, is coordinated by World Meteorological Organization, UN Development Programme, Greenpeace International or World Economic Forum. The correct answer is option A, World Meteorological Organization. Recently released report, The United in Science, is coordinated by the World Meteorological Organization, that is WMO. Hence, option A is correct. The report shows that greenhouse gas concentrations continue to rise to record highs. Fossil fuel emission rates are now above pre-pandemic levels after a temporary drop due to lockdowns. The ambition of emissions reduction pledges for 2030 needs to be 7 times higher to be in line with the 1.5 degrees Celsius goals of the Paris Agreement. Last question is, which of the following best describes the Western Trapogan? Turtle, marine fish, butterfly or bird? The correct answer is option D, bird. Adored as Jujurana, the king among birds, the Western Trapogan is a rare pheasant found only in the narrow range of the temperate Himalayas. In the wild, the pheasant has been sighted in the Beas, Satluj and Ravi river catchment areas. This majestic bird is the state bird of Himachal Pradesh. Hence, option D is correct. Now it's time for the practice question. The International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is observed on 16 September, 17 September, 18 September or 19 September. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.